Hi, first grade friends. This week we had 4 sight words. One of the sight words was the word there. We spell the word there as T-H-E-R-E. Do you notice anything special in the word there? I see T-H at the beginning, so I know T-H is going to make th. We make that sound by putting our tongue in between our 2 sets of teeth, our top and bottom rows of teeth. I am going to watch a video with you guys, and then I'm going to show you how I read my There book before you record yourself reading it.
Over there is a bear, T-H-E-R-E there, T-H-E-R-E there, over there. Over there is a bear, T-H-E-R-E there, T-H-E-R-E there, over there. T-H-E-R-E there, over there. Over there is a bear, T-H-E-R-E there, T-H-E-R-E there, over there. Over there is a bear, T-H-E-R-E there, T-H-E-R-E there, over there. T-H-E-R-E there, over there.
All right, what's the sight word we're working on today? It is there. And how do we spell it? T-H-E-R-E. So I'm going to point and read the book. If you would like to at home, you may also point and read it back for some practice. My There book. Let's look at the picture. What is this a picture of? This is a picture of a turtle. What word down here could be the word turtle? Turtle. Oh, this must be the word turtle because it starts with a T, and I hear the t sound. This couldn't be turtle because it has TH, and we know TH makes the th sound. Same with here, TH th sound. We also know these are some of our sight words we've been working on. I'm going to point and read, and you can point and read back. Look, there is a turtle in the water. I see a whale. Whale. Ooh, this could be the word whale. 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 Could this be whale? At. I see an R at the end. This can't be whale because at the end of whale I hear ooh. Look, there is a whale in the water. This is a duck. Do you see the word duck? I can use lips the fish strategy to think about what word is going to start with duh. Here. Look, there is a duck in the water. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Ooh, I see a word with a J. This must be jellyfish. Look, there is a jellyfish in the water. Ooh, jellyfish also has a digraph. Do you see SH? Hear the sh sound at the end? This is called an urchin. It's a sea urchin. It's a sea creature. UR makes the sound. We'll learn about this later. Urchin. Look, there is an urchin in the water. Octopus. This is one of the vowel sounds we study. Ah. O makes the ah sound. This must be the word octopus. Look, there is an octopus in the water. Dolphin. D, d. This must be the word dolphin. Starts with a D. D makes D. Look, there is a dolphin in the water. All right, now that we've practiced together, I want you to go into the assignment and record yourself reading each of the pages. Have fun.